Every car needs a transmission. But what does it actually do? How does it help your car accelerate, save fuel, and drive smoothly? Today, we'll break it down in a simple way. The transmission is the connection between your engine and your wheels. Your engine always runs at a high speed, but your wheels need to go at different speeds depending on the situation. The transmission adjusts this, making sure you get the right balance between power and efficiency. A manual transmission, or stick shift, is the oldest and simplest type. You control when to change gears using a clutch pedal and gear lever. This gives more control but requires skill. An automatic transmission shifts gears for you. Instead of a clutch, it uses a torque converter, making driving easier and smoother, especially in traffic. CVT, or continuously variable transmission, has no fixed gears. Instead, it uses a belt system for smooth and efficient acceleration, but it can feel unnatural to some drivers. DCT, or dual clutch transmission, is designed for high performance. It shifts gears almost instantly using 2 clutches, making it perfect for sports cars. Each transmission has its strengths. Manual gives control, automatic offers comfort, CVT saves fuel, and DCT delivers performance. Which one is best? It depends on your needs. If you enjoyed this video, hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and let us know in the comments which transmission you prefer.